Why are you trying to kill my computer? I'll be... Oh, you ass. Stop it. I'll be off in a minute. Stop. Grr. Stop. Good boy. Grr. Stop trying to turn my computer off. Alright, thank you. You jealous of my computer? Is that Daddy's shirt? Yes, it is. Grr. 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 Are you mad at me because I'm on my computer? Grr. Kisses. Hey, kisses. Hey, kisses. Or are you still mad at me? Oh, I gotta take you to get a haircut. Your hair's growing so fast. There's your eyes. There's your beautiful eyes. There they are. With your mohawk. Aww. I know I love you too. Mm. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to stop. Alright, are you sure you want more love? Are you positive? Or you give up? Ouch! You have sharp teeth. Alright, I love you too. Alright. Grr. Grr. Can you growl for the camera? Growl. No? Just want love? Alright. Then I have to do more work, okay? Oh, there you go. Oh, lots of love. Lots of love. Lots of love. Okay. Wait. Come on. Alright. More love. More love. You got it. You got it. More love. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you go. Alright, baby. And mommy work now, okay? I know you hate the computer. Thank you. Ouch. Alright, mister. More love. One little bit more. Okay. Alright. Okay. Off the computer. Off. There you go.